What's going on, guys? Silas Haig here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the best free proofreading training out there at the moment. This is the training that I took when I first started, and it allowed me to launch my online proofreading business. So it's over at Proofread Anywhere. I'll leave a link in the description below. This is how it should look when you get onto the link. So it says how to learn how to transform your passion for words and reading into a thriving proofreading business in as little as 30 days. So first things first, make sure you actually have a passion for words and reading. I know I do. I love to read. And it also says in as little as 30 days. It took me just under 30 days to do. So it is possible. It says here 4,800 students. 4,800 plus students. It's probably over that now. It's probably over the 5,000 mark. It's been out for a couple of years. 4 years of results, it says there. And it's been featured in Business Insider, Forbes, and a lot of other places. In just 76 minutes, there's a 76-minute workshop. It's a comprehensive training. It goes into a lot of depth. So make sure to pay attention to it because I'm sure you'll learn a lot of valuable information. So it says it'll teach you the 5 signs that proofreading could be a perfect fit for you. So I think it has a little quiz in it. So you can, test out your natural grammar skills and see what you do and don't know, and see if proofreading could be the right fit for you. It also talks about how proofreading could give you lifestyle freedom. So I know that's definitely the case for me. I've proofread on the couch, at the beach, in the car. I wasn't driving, on a plane. I've proofread whilst traveling in Europe and in Asia. It's just amazing to be earning whilst you're traveling. I love that kind of location independence that this kind of business gives you. And it talks about financial security as well. So it's amazing to just look back on something that you've created from nothing and it's now, generating you income month after month. So it's awesome. And that's what you can get over with this training at Proofread Anywhere. Finally, it talks to you about how to attract clients. So your ideal clients, not just any clients. You're not just, racing to the bottom with your rates and trying to compete on, freelance marketplaces. This is about how to find quality clients that will actually pay you what you're worth. So as I said before, this is just completely free, 76-minute workshop. This is your host, Caitlin Pyle. And all you have to do is just click Save Me a Seat, enter your name and your email address in there, and you'll reserve your spot. Now, as I said, this is the training that I did when I first started. I'm sure, I guarantee that you'll learn something valuable in this training. Now, I'll leave a link below in the description. If you click that and if you go through that link there, and then you enroll in the training, you'll also get access to all my bonuses as well. So click the link and you can check out the bonuses that come with that if you go through my link. So that's everything in this video. I really hope you check out that training and I'm sure you'll learn something. So I'll see you in the next one.